Hello. Yes, my Trex deck warped. This is where it warped. I was pretty disappointed. I didn't even realize Trex deck warped, but it sure does. So before I went to the hardware store to pick up some items, I had to first realize what the width was, the thickness of the decking, the Trex deck itself. Because after I purchased these screws, washers, and strip plates, I had to go ahead and do some other things like drill some pilot holes. And by the way, avoid the clip grooves when you're drilling the pilot holes. And these are very rigid steel straps. They don't bend. So you got to keep that in mind. Okay, keep your pilot holes shallow. Don't drill through the bottom of your deck. Drill the strap hole to take the largest diameter screw you can find. Use washers as stoppers to prevent the screws from going through the decking. So this is really important. You don't want to put a hole through your deck. And the more straps, the better. There's no doubt about that. And you can see that there's just one bolt into each strap, bolt screw, I should say. And here's the thing. This is important. Snug all the straps to the under deck with the screws. Just snug them up. Then tighten each screw about a half a turn using even tension to draw the warp piece back into place. It's really important that you do that intermittently, one at a time, and draw it across to bring it down so you don't put a lot of pressure on any one screw. So no worries. You've got this.